Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Yes, as you can tell, today's video is going to be all about my January Boxycharm Base Box. We're going to be doing a dive deep, checking out the box. What did I get? What's going on? Did I like anything? Like, what's the tea? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Before we hop into the video, of course, if you aren't already subscribed, if you aren't part of the Lady M fam, then please join the fam. Let's grow this channel, honey. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss these uploads, right? So let's go ahead, knock that out, and then let's dive into my January base Boxycharm box. All right. All right, guys, so I have my box here. So this is the base box. This is the box that you just get some random products up in here. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and we're gonna dive deep into this month's box. All right, so this is the box, what it looks like right there. You can already see some sneak peeks of some goodies up in here. So let me just go ahead and rest that. And let's see what this box is. Ooh, I love it. It's called Refresh, right? New year, new goals, new everything. It's time to refresh, right? So we're gonna refresh. And this is what the packaging looks like. Super, super nice. I love it. Love, love, love. So it's called Boxycharm Refresh. And of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this base box. So I'm super excited. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and just dive in. Let me take out these like filler paper. Okay. Ha! Oh, okay. So the first product that I have is probably very unexpected, right? So this is LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer, and this is in the shade Worthy Deep. Oh yeah, can you guys see that? Now LYS has been coming through. They came through in 2021 with a whole bunch of products. First time launch. They got cream blushes. They had foundation, they had a primer, then they had bronzers, and they had setting powders. And then towards the end of the year, they also came out with some highlighters. So I was here for all things LYS in 2021. So I'm excited to see them in Boxycharm. So that's pretty surprising. So the first thing is this bronzer. Now I already own the bronzer, and I have the shade before this, and it's called Dark Strength. And so that's the shade that I already have. And if you've been on my channel before, then you already know that this is a staple of mine. I was going hard with this bronzer once I got my hands on it. It's always been like, it's like literally right here. So you know that if it's on your makeup vanity, then you know that's like a favorite. And so I am excited to see what this color looks like and if it will even work for me. So it may be too dark. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It is mad dark. So I'm gonna compare that next to the other one, Strength, so we can kind of see together how they compare. So do you see that? I definitely think that I could make it work, but I'm not sure that I even want to swatch it because it could be something that I give away, and I don't want to give away something that somebody may think that I have used. But that's pretty dope. So I'm happy to see LYS in the Boxycharm box, and I could probably swatch the color that I have that I use, which is the shade before that, so you guys can see. I don't even think you can see it. Do you see it right there? That's that. So let me see. If I could see it on the monitor. Oh yeah, it just adds a nice warmth to it. And I feel like this one on me may be more of like a contour shade because it does look kind of like more like cool tone, you know? So yeah, good job. Not bad at all. It's just, you know, might not be the ideal shade for me, but at least it's not the lightest shade either. So at least they tried with getting the shade right. Okay, so that was dope and exciting. So now let's see what else I have. So, let me read you and give you a little tea on this LYS. LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer, velvety in texture. This clean, that's another thing about this. Black owned brand, yes, come through. And it's clean, vegan, cruelty-free. Easy to blend bronzer, delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. Formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea extract, this finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections and texture. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free. This retails for $18, and yes, yes, and yes. So thank you, Boxycharm, for including LYS in your products. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna reach for is from another brand that I love, and this is Pharmacy, and this is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And I have heard a lot of good things about this before. I have another one. I haven't really started to use it yet because I have like so many products that I have that I need to go through. So I'm excited to try this. Definitely will make it into the giveaway pile. So Pharmacy is another nice, clean, vegan, cruelty-free brand. So if you're looking for clean skincare without any harsh ingredients or chemicals, then Pharmacy is definitely something to check out. This Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum, a skin plumping micro filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. So basically this has everything in it that you need to get plump, juicy, hydrated, good looking skin. You got amino acids, which are proteins. You got collagen peptides, which are the building blocks of the skin and what helps the skin to look firm. And then you got hyaluronic acid, which deals with hydration and plumping of the skin. So all the ingredients you need, cleanly sourced, no harsh chemicals in it. So definitely, I feel like something that you can try. Let me try to open it up. And this brand is from California. I cannot get it open. It's like ripping. Like, so the box has like little rips. I'm always all about packaging, and Pharmacy always has this very simplistic package. So there you have it, yellow, the gold and yellow, and the frosted bottle. Yes, so there it has that nice little pump, and we got it going on. So that is nice. Let me give you some details on this, how much it retails for. This retails for $44. And you can find Pharmacy at Sephora. You can also find LYS at Sephora as well, or on the brand's individual website. Okay, so the next thing I have is Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Now this is sealed. Why did they do that? So I'm gonna have to get it open so that I can show you guys what this is. So your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 pigmented shadows, a blush and highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This product retails for $36. And guys, I will also be sure to list the box value, it's gonna come right here on the screen. So that way you guys will know what the value of the box is. And also I'll have all the details about Boxycharm. If you're interested in signing up, then you can click the link below in the description box to sign up for Boxycharm and see what you get in your boxes and which box it is that you will subscribe to. Okay, not bad. I definitely think this is kind of dark skin friendly. The blush is gorgeous, and that is typically kind of blush that I would like. Now, I'm not so sure about the eyeshadows. Like this color right here. I don't think that's really gonna work for my skin tone at all. So I'm not really sure about this. Maybe. It's not, I'm looking at it, but it's not matte. It seems like it's like a satin kind of texture. That's kind of what I'm seeing here on the shadows. But I definitely love the blush. I love the highlighter. I think that's very pretty and will work on our skin tone. So not too shabby. Definitely not sure. It says the on the go face palette. There's like, if there's not like dark colors in here, then you know, when you go on the road, you want a palette that you can do daytime to nighttime kind of looks with, right? All right, so what do we have here? Next, we have Evio Beauty. I don't know how to say it. Evio, E-V-I-O Beauty Lip Spoliner Duo. It says creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill the lips. This two-piece kit features a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout into a matte finish named after people who inspire us. So, I don't know. I'm trying to see the names, but you can hardly see the names because it's like white. Like green with like white writing. So I can't even make out the names. The colors, I'm not really sure about these colors. Like look at how pink that color is. So, and it looks like it's a red color and a pink color. So definitely looks good, but I don't necessarily feel like it will work for me. I don't really wear a lot of dark colors, so I wouldn't even get any real use out of that color. So let me take it off. It's the traditional pencil, and I think it's already broken, one of the colors. So you can kind of see, it's definitely more like that burnt red kind of color. And then a light kind of like pinky nude, like a mauve. Oh yeah, it looks very creamy. So that's that one color right there. You can kind of see, definitely too light for me. And then the last, those two pencils retail for $24. And then the last thing we have is Billion Dollar Brows. Brows on Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, the Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. This brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want while creating hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. And this color is taupe. And you guys, this is not dark skin friendly at all. Taupe, who wears taupe? No, thank you. So definitely we'll put this in the reject pile because that is not gonna work for me at all. So 5 products, and out of the 5, we probably got 3 out of 5 that I'm willing to try, that I love, that I'm happy that I received in this box. And the other 2, it's a no for me. That lip liner and that brow pencil, no thank you. So thanks, but no thanks. So 3 out of 5, not too bad. Probably like at a 75, 80%, you know, is what I give this box. So that's it for my January base box unboxing. Did you guys get your box? Any of the products that I have is in your box. What are your thoughts on the January base box? Let me know in the comments below. Definitely excited for those 3 products that I told you that I was definitely feeling. The palette is, I'm on the fence. I feel like it will work. The blush is bomb. The colors on the eyeshadow, except for those like 2, I don't know what kind of colors those are. but I feel like that's doable. That's okay. But the lip liners, they felt really creamy when I put it on my arm, but the colors just don't work for me. So that's my thoughts on the box. So thanks for watching today's video. Before we sign off for today, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below while you're there. Also, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, that's it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.